They're all trying to aim for that thing.
Yo, this isn't even funny. How come nobody comes up from the other end? I would totally cross the street.
They ain't shit on that side.
What?
They ain't shit on that side.
No, I would cross the street and take the other exit. Yo, mad people. You really want me to do this?
That guy's like,
I can't see anything. Yo, I would leave that shit too if I could. If I probably die. I'd fall into it backwards. Kind of, not really.
Some lady like walked through and just said, I don't care.
Yo, she's got sneakers. Oh, like mad kids.
I said, that guy right there, the guy at the top, he said, fuck. What?
I like what the other old guy with the cane.
This is awful. I can't get any good views from here.
Okay, let's go.
Yo, the big guy, Ivy. Ivy, the big guy. This is fail. I can't see anything at all. I can't see anything. This is so bad. I hope. Ew.
Hold on, I can put my message on.
Wow. I wish I were tall. You want that effort to get over. That effort. How long do you want me to stay here?
Once I got my metro card, I get my metro card.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Like in your bag,
yeah. You find it? You didn't find it?
I think it's over there. Oh shit, where is it?
No? Shit, I feel so bad. I feel so bad.
Holy. It's recording.
Did you find it? Pocket. Jacket?
Yeah, no, I looked for it. There's not the... Son of a bitch.